Did you know that model collaboration is not just about collaborating models, but also about collaborating modelers? Models and modeling are not new in Wageningen. In fact, we have many models and creative modelers. Instead of focusing on what we model, we wanted to emphasize how we model, which could be done in the MAST project. By sharing our best practices, we want to make models and modelers talk. So what can you learn from our work? Well, we defined 6 crucial points in model collaboration and share our lessons learned with you. First, let's briefly go through the points. Modeling involves calculating changes, but first it's important to set the scene. The components of the system are identified and current trends are established. Then, new scenarios can be built from which the changes can be calculated. Sometimes, similar models need to be linked according to the mapped system and to test these new scenarios. A modular modeling approach comes in handy to easily add or replace a component for a new crop. Such an approach can make best use of existing knowledge and existing models. For data exchange between models, different solutions can be used for different applications. In general, there are 2 options: data exchange through a database and data exchange by direct interlinkage of 2 or more models that can talk to each other. With the proper data exchange, we can perform multi-model analysis, even by combining an economy-based model with an AI model as a hybrid. Such an approach allows using the best of both models, providing policy-level insights and data-driven predictions on policy responses under different scenarios. This could lead to a 360 degrees assessment of a future system. This could also be applied to assess synergies and trade-offs of sustainable development goals. Last but not least, model quality is very important. That's why we connected basic conditions and recommendations to generic assessment criteria. During model development throughout the project, we applied this model quality checklist and created a workflow for efficient model quality documentation. This workflow and all other lessons learned throughout the project are shared on the Good Modeling Practice wiki pages. Different ways of model collaboration are explained in theory and in practice. We also explain how to build a new model from existing models, how to maintain your model quality, and how to secure this knowledge for reuse by fellow modelers. Models and modeling in itself are not new in Wageningen. However, combining models and making models talk is challenging and new. By emphasizing how we model rather than what we model and sharing best practices, we hope the good modeling practices and the model quality assurance system will be used by other modelers in Wageningen, and that we make models and modelers talk.